For LinkedIn, you'll need to go to your personal LinkedIn page and then click here on me in the top right. Once you click it, you should see all the pages that you are an admin on. So you should be an admin on your chapter's social media page for LinkedIn. Scroll down, and again, I'm going to use my company, Advancing Organizational Excellence, AOE, as an example. And next, I'm going to switch back to my content document, and I'll copy and paste here. I'll right click and copy the text for the post. I'm going to switch back to the social media post that I want to create on LinkedIn. I'll click Start a Post here. Then I'm going to right click again and select Paste. Next, we'll need to tag. So why don't you come in here and switch back to your content document. You will find the LinkedIn tag right here. And again, copy and paste it. Go back to your post. You'll need to select the information here that you want to tag. It's ACI Foundation, and the tag we are using is the ACI Foundation. So I'm selecting it, actually deleting it. I'm hitting delete because I need to paste the actual tag here. So again, right click, and I'm going to paste what I just copied. I'm going to select ACI Foundation, and this is, again, an important part. You'll need to be sure you select the right tag. And then it's good to go, and you will be ready to click Post at that point. A note that if we didn't provide a tag for a certain social media platform, that means the organization doesn't have a presence on that social media channel. So if you'll look back at the content document, CIM program does not have a presence on LinkedIn. So there is no CIM tag for this.